Hello, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Yoga with Prashnesh Jeevanandam English. In this video, I'm going to explain you one of the yoga technique that will help you to reduce your belly fat. So this is a very good technique, and most of us are very concerned about having a flat tummy, which is very normal, but it requires some workout. So the practice I'm going to show you now will be a very good workout. And this practice basically is a combination of your leg rise in different steps in addition to your breath control. So the breath control makes this technique very effective, helping you to reduce your belly fat and also to improve your lung capacity. Good. So let's start with the technique now. Good. So first you come to relaxing pose. Just lie down on your yoga mat. Keep your legs together. No stress in your body. Just lie in a comfortable lying position. Keep your legs together and bring your hands back and hold your elbows like this. So you should hold your elbows like this. You have to hold your elbows tightly. And you have to place your arms on the ground in this position. So this is your starting position. Now you have to point your toes in the forward direction, and you have to inhale, and you are going to raise the legs in 4 steps. I will show you how to do that. And you have to exhale and come down in same 4 steps. Good. So there are basically 4 steps. How you can imagine in this 4 steps is, first raise in 30 degrees, then 50 degrees, then 70, then finally 90 degrees. So the same way you have to come back again with exhalation. I'll show you one more time. So I'm going to start now. Good. So, as I'm going to give some explanation on this. When you are raising your leg, you are going to inhale only once. But literally, I have to tell, you have to split your single inhalation into 4 steps. You can also say in installment you are going to breathe 4 times. Only one breath, but you are going to breathe 4 times. And same with the exhalation. When you are bringing your legs down in 70 degrees, 50 degrees, 30 degrees, and then to 0 degrees starting position, you are going to exhale only once. But you are going to split that into 4 parts. So one inhalation and one exhalation, but you are going to divide that into 4 steps. So I'll do this practice again, this technique again for continuously 3 times, and you can watch me now. I'm going to the starting position. Hold your elbows tightly. Place your arms on the floor. Legs together, point your toes and start. So step 1, first inhalation part, 30 degrees, second, third, last. Now I'm going to exhale 4 times. Again, step 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now I'm going to do continuously 2 more cycles. Last cycle. And relax. You can come back to sitting position again. Good. So, one thing you have to mind is, please don't bend your legs. Always try to keep your legs straight. But if it is very difficult for you, you can slightly bend your knees. It's okay, no problem. But I would always recommend you to keep your legs straight. The most important thing is, in every step, please hold on for a second. In 30 degrees, hold on for a second. 50, hold on for a second. 70 and 90, hold on for a second, and then go to the next step. That is the key for this practice. So, how many cycles you can do? That is the next question. I would recommend please start with 5 cycles, and every week you can start increasing. You can start increasing by a count of 1 or 2 cycles. For example, first week you start with 5 cycles. The next week you can continue with 6, or if possible with 7. At some point of time it becomes easier and you can go up to 10 cycles or more than that. Good. So you can experience the effectiveness of this technique in some days if you do it regularly. So you will start feeling your pants are getting loose a little bit. That's a very good sign. It's an indicator that your belly fat is actually reducing. So, and also please don't forget, don't start with this technique directly. Please see my previous videos, the warming up part 1, warming up part 2 sequences I have posted, and also the sun salutations. Continue all the 3 practices and then start with this practice. So the benefit you get out of this technique is not only reducing your belly fat, but also if you have any minor breathing problems or so, like bronchitis or cold related problems, this technique, since it involves also your breath control, improves your lung capacity very much, and that will directly help you to overcome any cold related or breathing related problems. So having said this, thank you for watching this video. Please continue watching my YouTube channel Yoga with Bresnu Jeevanandam English. I wish you all a healthy and happy life. Thank you.